if you're going to talk about the Everglades, talk to the people that actually live there, and you're going to make decisions that impacts the life of the Miccosukee or Seminole people or whoever lives there. Talk to those people, not be in some boardroom somewhere that you've never been out here. You don't know what this ecosystem is, but you want to make all these life-altering decisions that impact all of this around you without talking to it. And people are like, and that's one of the things when we're walking today, I want you to think about this. Because people say, how are we going to talk to nature? How do we talk to nature? How do we know what nature wants? In these 2 days, you should know. If you really pay attention in your prayers and really listen, you'll figure out how to talk to nature. Because that's part of the conversation, is nature isn't getting into the conversation. Everybody wants to talk about what they think nature needs, what they need to do to nature, and how nature feels. But no one has asked nature itself what it wants. If you ask nature what it wants while we're walking and while we're praying, she will tell you what she wants. But you have to be able to receive that message for her to tell you, because she can talk. It's like talking to your kid, right? Man, I can't clean up your room. Do this. He won't listen to me, right? So because the kid has tuned you out. So the same here with adults. We've all tuned out nature. That she's talking and talking, but we've tuned her out. That we're not even listening to her. So in the walk, I want you to take off those earmuffs and tune in to nature and let her in so she can tell you what it is that she wants. It may not be with words. You may get a vision. You may see something and you're like, oh my God, that's it.